Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all this Diwali makeup look. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So to moisturize my face, I'm using Pond's moisturizer. I am applying the moisturizer especially around my mouth because that is the area which dries up very fast. Now for the primer, I'm using Incolor's primer. I'm taking one pump of it, massaging it on my fingers and just applying it to the T-zone. Now I'm moisturizing my lips and for that I'm using Wet n Wild's Love Pout. For the concealer, I'm using NYX Photo Focus Concealer. I'm first dotting it all over my blemishes and then blending it with a sponge. For the foundation, I'm using Nykaa's foundation. I'm taking some on back of my hand, then dotting it all over my face and then blending it with the sponge. This is a very good foundation for every day and for special occasions as well. Now again I'm taking the same concealer and applying it to the lids and highlighting my face, which is my under eye, forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. I'm using L'Oreal's Matte Magique Compact Powder. I'm taking a little bit of it and just tapping it under my eye, on my eyelids and rest of my face. Then for my eyebrows, I'm taking Mixler's eyebrow pencil. I'm first brushing out my eyebrows and then filling it in. Then I'm using this Swiss Beauty's eyeshadow palette in the shade 04. I'm taking this brown shade and just putting it over my crease and blending it. As you all can see, I'm just blending it in a circular motion. Then I'm taking this Sivana color's double exposure palette and taking this color right here and applying it on the outer V. I am building this color slowly. Now I'm taking the flat brush and applying this light shade on my lids. I'm just concentrating to the inner corners till the mid of my lid. Then I'm taking this pencil brush and taking this lightest color and applying it to the tear duct. Now I'm taking a bigger pencil brush and taking the same brown color which I applied on the outer V and just lining my lower lash line. For my eyeliner, I'm using Lakme's Insta Eyeliner. This is a very good eyeliner if you want to draw a winged eyeliner because the brush of this eyeliner is flexible. Now for the mascara, I'm using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. For the blush, I'm using Sivana Color's Brick Blush Palette. For my highlighter, I'm using Incolor's highlighter. This is a very pretty highlighter. I have told this so many times on my channel. Now to contour, I'm using Sivana Colors Face Palette, and I'm contouring my cheekbones, my jawline and my nose. For my lipstick, I'm using Incolor's lipstick in the shade 426. This is a very pretty nude shade. And here's the final look. If you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up. Comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Till then, take care. Bye.